Do you think that Indian cricket, if it has to go forward, should immediately end this nonsense of conflict of interest? That you can't be in charge of a team, owner of a team, and also at the same time be the man who's framing all the laws. So you or Rahul might not tell us what you really think is good or bad for cricket, because it's happened with Gavaskar, it happened with Ravi Shastri, because you're part of the mix. So therefore we won't ever get to hear a frank opinion on whether there's a problem with conflict of interest or not.
No, there's two ways of looking at it, Rahul. I think somebody like Rahul Dravid or Sachin Tendulkar, there's been such big names in Indian cricket. Indian cricket is here because of what we did on the field and also what the administrators did off the field, because that's also a tough job, to keep Indian cricket going. I'll tell you one thing, in the early 90s or the middle 90s, we would go to countries like England and Australia. We would stay not the best of hotels, get the tough part of the tours, and with all due respect, not looked after well. But I've seen a massive change since the year 2000.
My question is on conflict of interest.
Yes, I will come to that. No, I will come to that. And I have a massive change with the way we got treated after that. And it's just improving every time.
Was it an overreaction? That's the question, Rahul Narvekar. It was an unnecessary overreaction. If this is going to be the basis on which the police take action, then the police will have to arrest thousands of people in the city of Mumbai alone. The police got a complaint from the Shiv Sena, and hence I would request you, Rahul, right at the very start, not to dissociate yourself from what has happened, because I saw you passing the buck on some other channels.
Well, now before I start, let me tell you, today I am not here to give any kind of explanation, defend or justify any action of anybody. I am here just to clarify my party's stand.
Yes.
Even while Honorable Leader Balasahebji Thackeray was ailing and there were speculations made about his health, our party leader at that very time, Shri Uddhavji Thackeray, came out in the open. Despite being in extreme stress and a personal grief, he thought about the city and he thought about the state. He came out and made a clear statement and appeal to the cadre to maintain law and order situation, to ensure that no untoward incident takes place. And even after the passing away of Balasaheb Thackeray, Uddhavji had come out and mentioned that the best way of paying homage to our leader would be to maintain.
That's not what we are talking about.
Would be to maintain the law and order situation in the city.
Is that what we are talking about?
So that being our leader's stand, our party stand was absolutely clear and is absolutely clear.
So what she's asking you today is that 21-year-old girl who questions the shutdown of a city, should she face arrest?
Your question,
should she face this kind of a charge? That is a simple question, Rahul. Why are you avoiding it?
Your question probably is directed to the wrong person and to for the simple reason that the arrest has been made by the police.
The complaint was filed by a local Shiv Sena leader.
That this is not the time for FDI. There are much more bigger issues than FDI, like HDI, like Human Development Index.
No, one second, Derek, don't distract from the issue.
We today brought this up in Parliament. Tomorrow we have given notice for a short duration discussion. I don't know what this program, where we're going to end it at the end of this program. Let me put a different kind of fact in it, because this is a fact and I only want to state facts. Bentonville, USA. Bentonville, Arkansas, USA are the world headquarters of Walmart.
I know where you're going. Yes, go ahead.
Bentonville, Arkansas, USA. Bentonville, Arkansas, USA is the home of the best known former president of the USA and his wife, who is currently also very, very well known. The most famous couple from the USA.
No, one second.
That they are both from Bentonville.
I'm making the point. He's not from Bentonville. So, don't just say stuff that you don't know facts.
Just one second.
They are both from Arkansas. He may be from Arkansas. So you are from West Bengal. So it doesn't matter whether you are from Haldia or Calcutta. Please.
Sir,
I'm the spokesman for facts. You said that you were speaking facts. And no. Bill Clinton is from Little Rock, Arkansas, not Bentonville. Don't confuse the issue.
Rajiv Desai, 1 minute. Let him make his point, gentlemen. Let him make his point. He's making a political point, and I would like to tell you once, I don't know the point you're making. You can make your point.